What's going on, guys? I'm from Domino Chinese. Great news!
And hey guys, I just wanted to be in this video too. If you don't know who I am, my name is Felix, and together with Anne here, we have taught together more than 200 hours of beautiful video content to the entire world. And currently, by the time that I'm recording this video, probably more at the point you're watching it, we have more than 60,000 students all across the globe. So the fortunate and the wonderful news that Anne wanted to share with you is that we have just released our first Domino, but then also HSK course for the rest of the world as well. And in this course, fortunately, you won't actually have to deal with me because we'll have this lovely little girl for you instead to teach you the entire thing. And here she is to take it away.
So what is HSK then? HSK stands for 汉语水平考试, which is Chinese proficiency test. It is the standardized test of Chinese proficiency for non-native speakers. There are 6 levels in total, so if you're planning to study or work in China, you might already have seen some universities or companies ask for foreign applicants with HSK 5 or better. So in this course, I will go through the exam format and what is testing the exam. More importantly, I will tell you guys how to prepare for it and crush it.
Thank you very much, Anne. Super excited about this course, and I hope you are too. One thing worth noticing about the HSK course is that it's very test-oriented. So you need to make sure that you have your vocabulary and your grammar points all on point before you start taking this one. When you go through our Domino Chinese course, we'll point out, as soon as you're ready for an HSK course, we'll point that out for you, just like you can see here. So keep learning Chinese with our original course, and then when you're ready to show the world how much you've improved, then you can go up to this course here, the HSK course, and show the world with a certificate as well. One last thing is that the HSK level 1 and 2 courses are just a little bit too tiny. Therefore, we'll decide to skip straight into level 3 with this course. That's all the necessary information you'll need. Now it's time for me to leave. You'll probably never see me again in this course. Good luck with Anne, and good luck, Anne. See you!
See ya!